Hello everyone, it's Miss Thomas, and today we're going to look at solving exponential functions graphically. Okay, so the steps for solving these things graphically, we're going to use our graphing calculators, and you're going to be given an equation, and what you want to do is enter each side of the equation into the y equal as two separate equations. And I'll show you what that looks like. And then you're going to use the calc and the intersect to find the point of intersection of the two equations. And the solution is going to be the x value. So I'll show you what we mean by this. So I gave you this equation, 0.3 to the x equals 5, and we wanted to solve for x. We're really trying to ask, well, what do I need to raise 0.32 to get a 5? And that's really not going to be a very straightforward process for us. So we're going to just use our graphing calculators to help assist us. So the first thing that I want to do is make two equations, one where it's 0.3 to the x, and the other one where it's 5. And we're really trying to find where these two things would intersect. Okay, so we've got our graphing calculator. Everything across the top has to do with graphing. Anything in this top set of buttons and all of their secondary functions. So if we want to enter it, we hit y equals, and then our first function was 0.3 to the x. So we're just going to type 0.3, you use the caret, and you raise it to the x. Our other side of the equation was 5, so we just enter y equals 5. So we've got the two sides of our equations entered as two separate equations. And then we can go to graph. Oops, I went to the table, sorry. There's our 0.3 to the x, and here's our y equals 5. And so what we are looking for is this point where they intersect right there. And to do that, we want to go to calculate, which is in blue above trace. So to get anything in blue, we hit second, then calculate. You can see all these different options. We want to find where it intersects. So it's going to ask you some questions. When it says first curve, it's really just asking, is that the first equation? 0.3 to the x, that is. We hit enter. Second curve, is that our second equation? Y equals 5, it is. Hit enter. And then it says guess. So you can move the cursor towards the point of intersection. Then you hit enter again. And they tell us our point of intersection is negative 1.33 and 5. We expected our y equals 5 because our y equals 5 is a constant, right? This is the x value that'll make 0.3 to the x equal that 5. So we now know that x equals a negative 1.34, and you're going to want to at least go to 2 decimal places, is going to be our solution. And we can check that by taking 0.3 to the negative 1.34, and we are going to get that that equals approximately 5.